What's up, guys? This is your boy Duver Guy, and today's video I was gonna do something I didn't plan on doing, but it looks like plan change. It just snowed, so I'm actually gonna go ahead and do change of plans, like I'm saying, and go do something different. So if you like to see what I'm gonna be doing, make sure you hit a thumbs up, make sure you like and subscribe, make sure you share this video, make sure you help grow this channel. This channel is basically about my 2016 Focus ST 6-speed, and right now I am about to go to a friend's shop. Sorry for all this mess in the back of the seat, but got a couple blankets, you know what I'm saying? It's cold, so you gotta keep yourself warm. It's pretty freezing. I was gonna do something really crazy today, but I can't because it's freaking cold. It's snowing. I'm the only person, and I'm not trying to, you know what I mean, get in trouble either. And I'm not trying to crash my car either, so maybe we will wait. If it doesn't get bad, we might be able to do what we want to do. So make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you share the video. Like I said, I'll catch you guys in a minute to go do what I'm about to do. Peace. Alright, like I said, I was gonna go to my friend's shop. I'm here, and my beautiful Focus ST is right here. I'm gonna go see if he's doing anything like I said, and make sure he can help me get my stuff I'm about to do here, the load of mods. It's pretty loud in here, so you know, I'm not gonna be talking too much. Let's just go in there. That's running away from me all the freaking time. Look at this, that big ass head. Puppy! Puppy! What's up, Puppy? Shit. So, yo, my thing. Today? Oh, yeah. He just said he's gonna help me get it done today. Wait, later today? Okay, we're gonna get it done today. Thank God. Okay. Bye. No, bye. No. Alright guys, so actually right now he's gonna be taking the downpipes out and replace it. With the process of the downpipes, I'm gonna go talk through it and show you guys how it's done and stuff like that. I'm gonna go with the light and show you guys how it's done. So he's taking the clamps that hold the downpipes down.
Eso se partió.
Did it break?
Se partió, papito. Ahí vamos a tener que inventarnos algo.
Boom? Yeah, so I guess a snap. You already know when you're working on cars, I mean, you're gonna face these kind of problems. Just don't give up and just keep doing it, you know what I mean? Just go buy a new part and throw it on it, that's it. But yeah, it's a clamp that's broken right now, so it doesn't really matter to me. I mean, we can just go to the shop and pick one clamp up and replace this with it. So yeah. Taking the turbo out, the flange broke, the snap. So he's gonna, I'm gonna go to AutoZone or some parts store and pick one of these up. And yeah, I think O'Reilly might have it. I'm gonna call them and see if they have it and pick one up real quick. But that's the clamp. It goes right here and holds into the turbo. But yeah, it's rusty or whatever. So I'm in the process of calling them. And they're on the phone. I'm gonna see if they have it, and if they do, boom, that's a case one. Car's fixed, cars on the road, tuned and everything.
So it's like the flange that connects the turbocharger and
the exhaust? Yep, the hot side of the exhaust, yep.
$2,000 years later.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much, then, man.
Yeah, no problem. Thank
All
you.
right. All right. Oh my God, he didn't have it. What am I gonna do? I guess I'm gonna have to call Advanced Auto and see if they have it too. Yo, he's doing that.
Tú has hecho. ¿A dónde va a ir él ahora?
That's it.
That's it. Fuck it. My man is the shit, you know what I mean? Yo, he made it work. That's crazy.
Seguro no fue la puerta para eso.
Yo, that's crazy. But if you look at the difference between this photo, take a photo of me.
Funky.
You already know that shit.
Que si tú me quieres.
Bro, shut up. Let me talk. Bro, he got it in on. You know, my man's right here. He did some JB welding, and he got it in. I'm hype as fuck.
No, monkey.
I'm gonna tune the car before I
Yo
leave.
estoy loco de bye.
No, papi.
Sí.
No. So yeah, the V clamp, I couldn't find one to buy, so I had to get my man to get me
Monkey.
welded.
Monkey.
He welded it up and stuff like that. And he did some JB. Yeah. Oh, so this is the bolt that actually broke off, as you guys can see. When he put it in, it came off and it snapped in half. That's insane. I've never seen anything like that, you know? And it snapped. So he did some welding or whatever he did and made it happen. So now the clamp is going back on it. And the exhaust is going to go back on it. I'm going to put the stage 3 Cobb Access Sport tune on it and see if it makes a difference. And if it do, I'll be hype as shit. You know what I mean? I'm excited about this shit. Because the next thing we're going to do is going to be something insane, and you guys stay up and be ready for it. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video. Make sure you share the channel with all your friends and your family. Thank you very much. So, alright guys, I am going to try and drive home safe right now, right? I got the downpipes in, as you can hear. It got a little louder, but it's alright. It's not nothing too crazy. I got it in and stuff like that, and it's vibrating a little bit. I think it's one of the clamps I actually installed. Is the one that's vibrating, so I'm gonna try and see if that's the problem. I'm gonna take it out. If it's not, I guess it is what it is. But other than that, yeah, so that's what I think it is. But also, it is snowing and it's freezing ice stuff on the road. So the car, I think it was just a bad idea for me to do my downpipes today. As you guys can see, it's just slipping and slipping and slipping and slipping and slipping. Yeah, I need to chill out. Yeah. Alright. I am gonna try and end this video right here and actually not try to talk too much because it's really bad and I'm not trying to die. So I'm probably just gonna stop recording and just drive home safely and make sure I get home safe. Then when I get home, I'll talk about the video and the whole process and stuff like that, explaining into details for you guys to see. But since right now it's really bad outside, I'm not gonna drive and talk and record myself. You know, if I had a second person, that would have been cool, but I don't. So I'll catch you guys when I get home then. Hey,
All the way?
yeah, to the rev limiter, yeah, and let it go. Let it go. Keep going, keep going. One more time. One more time.